It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Yummy lemon trees. So there seems to be lemon trees all over out here in Yuma.
It's called their Yuma lemons.
Yuma lemons. Lemons on each side of us.
What about limes?
No, I don't see any limes.
What do you put in tequila? Is it lemon or lime? I forget. Lime.
Those kind of look like funny lemons. He's out there laughing, I know he is.
It's got to be his pants.
Did you go?
Oh, I was like, where's the train at? What the heck is going on here?
What did Eric just about make you do?
Peed my pants by hitting his horn. I'm looking for a train or a semi to run me over.
Eric, we were, as you...
Oh. Those things are probably worth thousands and thousands of dollars then. Yeah, obviously.
Is it?
Oh, there they all are. There Randy and all those guys are.
Honk to him, honk.
That was funny timing.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
And Aja's in the lead.
Mm-hmm.
How funny is that?
Yep.
All right, guys, so there's our whole group, and we just met up here at the intersection. And what was really funny is Aja's in the lead up there. Yep, pretty cool.
Survived!
Yay, we made it! You here?
Yes.
All right, our tribe is all here together. We've all made it. All in one piece. There's Randy. Was that weird or what?
That twice by accident.
Hi, Andy. All right.
I saw 2 RVs.
We've all made it. Yay! Hello! Good to see you here. Yay! Hey, kiddos. So, what do you think they're going to think of this tribe coming and descending on them? Think a little crazy?
I wonder where pudding.
That is funny. Or it's just hot from the sun. Oh, help! I can't get out!
What in
That ain't going in my car. Leave their shoes.
Well,
That is funny. At least they were on the right feet.
my gosh. Prime example of why you do not step in anything that looks like tar
So I guess they
in
couldn't
Arizona.
They couldn't get the shoes out?
Oh, don't step in it.
I'm not stepping in it, but...
Oh. Okay, now something is happening around this tree. Kind of looks like the... Yeah, but it looks like a body has been laying there.
Oh, right.
Look at this one.
I know.
This one looks like Beavis, right? Or not Beavis, but
Redhead?
no, what's the cartoon? The Simpson.
Marge?
Well, no, what is it?
Yeah. I can't think of his name.
Bart.
Bart.
Looks like Bart has been laid to rest there. Everybody's moving. Everybody's going. So we're all getting ready to line up because we are going to a different casino that can accommodate this big group of about 20. If you guys remember, we were here last time. There's the train. And the bridge is right up here, and then the prison is right up here. And little downtown, not sure what that is, but I'm hoping we'll come down and check that out. I feel like we've done this before.
Well, I'm telling you, I've been here once before.
Yeah. So Gateway Park.
Beautiful pink house.
I didn't get that. Okay, we're definitely coming back here because Aja and I wanted to come and check this out. So we'll definitely be coming here and seeing all of this, which you guys have already seen. We're gonna go down here and stay in this casino down here, which is better because we didn't realize that the other casino parking lot was 20 minutes. Well, actually not 20 minutes. What are we, about 15 minutes?
From where we want to go.
15 minutes from Yuma. So we all want to come here and do some sightseeing. I can't really see much of this on this side of the wall, but we want to do some sightseeing. I want to go check out this church up here, walk around it. So it's just a little bit better area for all of us to be walking around. And New Year's, we want to have some fun and dress up. So that's where we're going, right over there. friends. And today, the Hawks are playing Arizona. And I'm in here working. And Scott is over here having fun with all the guys.
Sorry.
Eric's got his whole system set up out here. And every time they win or score, right? Every time they score, Eric has some kind of a train horn that goes off. All right, you guys behave yourself out here.
Oh, we are. Sorry about the complication on your heart there.
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.